Okay, so what you're going to want to do is navigate to the video that you want the closed captions to show on. In this case, it's sort of a tutorial by an amazing artist. His channel's name is Eruda Art. Link in the description. Check it out. It's amazing. So you're at the video, and I'll just press play on this. You can hear that he's chatting. Nothing is showing up. So we're just going to mute that. You're going to want to go over here to the settings icon, click on that, where all of your video options are. And here under subtitles, it's set to off, so you're going to want to click that. And the only option it's giving you is for Korean auto-generated. And so it's not going to show you the language that you want necessarily right off the bat. There's a roundabout way to get into that. So just click Korean auto-generated for now. And then you'll see, as he's speaking, it's going to pop up in Korean, which is the language he's speaking. And so now you're going to want to go back into the subtitles. Click Korean auto-generated again. And this is going to give you a new option. It's auto-translate. So click that. And now it gives you a list of all the different languages that it can translate into. And I think it uses Google Translate. I'm not 100% sure, but I do know that it is not perfect. It has that Google Translate translation quality to it. So I'm going to select English because I want to be able to understand what he's saying in my native language. And so up it pops like this. Now, some videos, it's going to look a little bit strange. As you can see here, instead of them going up every time a new one pops in, it is overlapping. So, and you can actually drag this around the screen, right? Like it lets you do pretty much whatever you want with it. But the next time a new translation pops up, it pops up right in its original position. So this is kind of annoying because, as you can see, when you set it to Korean, it actually scrolls up, almost like a karaoke style. But it's not necessarily always going to do this. And so there's no way to get around it not doing that for your particular language. So what I do to make it easier to read, knowing that it's going to be overlapping, is I go in here and I go to this options setting. So I click on that, and this brings up all the options regarding the text and how it overlays. And so what I'm going to do under background opacity is go to that and just click 100%. So what that's doing is it's making the captions background a solid color. Now it's not perfect, as you can see right here, or they still overlap each other. It just makes it easier, a little bit easier at least, to read. See, there's a new one came in right there. So it's not perfect. It takes a little bit of effort to read it when the smaller ones pop over the larger ones, but it will still give you an idea as to what they're talking about. My hope is that in the future, YouTube is going to make all of the different languages either where the words progressively come, or whether it scrolls up instead of it just slapping the overlay directly on top of what was there previously. So that's how you do it. When you want to turn it off, you just, when you go in, you want to turn it off, you just select off. Now if you want to turn it back on again, you have to go through the process of this again, auto-translate, find your language, and it will pop up again. It's going to remember your opacity and font settings through, but if you want to turn these off and then back on again, you just have to go back through that. So in short, that's how that works. Thank you very much, and I hope that helps a little bit. Have a nice day.